Hey, welcome to Chem 120 on the board. Today we're going to take a look at this problem, which is a specific heat capacity problem. Remember, Q is heat transferred in joules. So to remember that reaction, we have Q equals mass times specific heat capacity of whatever substance we're looking at, which is generally water, but this time it's lead. So it's going to be a different specific heat than the 4.184 joules per gram degree C than we're used to, and then delta T. So let's look at our problem. If it takes 78.2 joules, like I like to underline the things, and then the things, the knowns and the unknowns, 45.6 grams, any numbers were given, 13.3 C. Now, even if I don't know what the problem says, I know that Q is in joules, so the Q equals 78.2 joules. I know 45.6, I look here, and there's only one thing with mass in it, so that goes with the M. And then, is there a CS? No. Calculate the heat capacity. So that's the unknown. And then 13.3 must be the delta T. So delta T equals 13.3 degrees C. So we have to solve the above equation for specific heat capacity. So to do that, it looks like this. All right? And remember, our units are going to be, Q is always in joules, mass is in grams, and delta T is in degrees C. And that looks just like the specific heat capacity units that we saw for water in the other video, if you watched it, which you should if you're watching this one. So, we got the problem set up. Now all we have to do is plug in. If you have trouble getting from this step to this step, there's help available at the Mesa Center, Tutoring Center, and my office hours. So don't hesitate to use all your options. Heck, even another student might be glad to show you how to do this algebra. So anyway, let's go back to solving the problem and substitute in our values. Q, 78.2 joules. Mass, always put your units in. Don't let my bad habits become your bad habits. Put your units in. You get points for them. All right, so 45.6 grams. And then our delta T is 13.3 degrees C. Doing that math, we get 0.1289 joules per gram degree C, which is the units we were looking for, and the number we were looking for. Now all we have to do to wrap it up is check our significant figures. 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 here. So this has to have 3 figures. We use the 9 to round, so our final answer is 1.29 joules per gram degree C. Thanks for your time.